Many domestic issues come and go, but healthcare usually keeps its place at the top of the list. The challenge for a growing segment of the population is getting access to good care. Today, there are a number of organizations and private interests helping to make more options available for more people.
Healthcare. It's something everyone needs, but in the United States today, more than 40 million people live without health insurance. While there have been many suggested approaches to change the situation, it is becoming more and more apparent that changes are needed to reduce this number. And of equal concern is the disparity in access to quality health care among different segments of the population.
We know that minorities don't get early detection and screening on breast cancer and colon cancer. We also know that people that are in socioeconomically disadvantaged groups don't always get the best diabetic care that they need. Our job at Wellpoint is to make sure that our members receive the best, high quality, high value care, regardless of race, gender, or other factors.
Leading businesses believe that having a corporate culture that values and leverages diversity enables managers and their associates to better understand and serve their customers and the communities in which they live and work, and in the process, close the disparity gap.
We try to reflect the diverse nature of our membership so we can address the issues that may hinder access to health care.
Wellpoint's core values are at the foundation of everything we do. And quite frankly, it's putting our customer first. It's doing everything with unwavering integrity, leading through innovation, taking personal accountability for everything we do, and certainly last but not least is doing everything as one company, one team.
Diversity management does more than make good business sense and promote positive corporate citizenship. Studies support that a diverse and inclusive work environment fosters engagement, collaboration, and innovation.
You know, about 70% of the people coming into the workforce today are female or people of color. So we have to be very in touch with both who we're bringing into the company to provide goods and services to our customers and the diverse makeup of that customer base.
If you look at Diversity Inc. and their top 50 index, those are companies that really do have diverse workforces, and they outperform other companies. If you look at the S&P or NASDAQ or the NYSE, they're actually outperforming companies that are less diverse.
For decades, Wellpoint, the nation's largest health benefits company in terms of medical membership, has been at the forefront of promoting diversity in the workplace.
There are three major pillars to our company's diversity strategy, being the workforce, the workplace, and the marketplace. And the workforce component of that is making sure that we have a workforce that's representative of the marketplace that we serve. The workplace component of that is making sure that we have a company culture that's inclusive and really engages everyone to perform at their best level.
The company is keenly aware that today's marketplace is changing and that new markets are emerging every day. That's why Wellpoint is focused on assembling a workforce that accurately represents the diverse communities it serves. After all, its associates are also members of these same communities when they leave the office every day.
I wanted to join a company that had values and had a desire to make a difference in our community.
I've worked at Wellpoint for 2.5 years as an IT help desk technician. One of the things that I've noticed about Wellpoint is the career pathing. I kind of know where I want to go and what I need to do to get to that point. They've provided me with the tools to succeed.
I was really intrigued by the opportunity to come work for Wellpoint. They've made huge amounts of strides in terms of their diversity efforts, so the opportunity to continue that effort was extremely appealing to me.
It's not just a place that you can come to work. It's somewhere that you can get to know someone and establish a relationship with someone.
Many believe the challenges currently facing the healthcare delivery system may only be solved by creating leaders in healthcare with diverse backgrounds and talents. Valuable training and programs are key to developing these effective leaders.
The Health Insurance Professional Program, or HIP as we call it at Wellpoint, is a program that's targeted towards new grads coming off the college campus. And it's really meant to put them on a leadership development track at the company. And while HIP in and of itself is not a diversity-specific program, we do take representation in all of our development programs seriously. And as such, the HIP program has about 44% female representation and about the same people of color.
Employees who have gone through the HIP program have found it to be an invaluable experience for their careers and personal growth.
What I will take with me after the HIP program is the mentors and the leaders that I've worked with. I'm in my third year right now, in my third rotation of the HIP program, and feel incredibly blessed to have had the opportunity to build my professional network, to have worked in projects that have challenged me and pushed me out of my comfort zone.
Wellpoint understands that it takes more than building a corporate culture that exemplifies diversity, integrity, and character to solve the problems with healthcare in America. It takes real commitment and real-world solutions.
We've been recognized by the National Committee on Quality Assurance for the initiatives we have around healthcare disparities. We have a specific analytic unit at Wellpoint that is looking at healthcare disparities and what the drivers and causes of that are and how we can address that. And then the Wellpoint Foundation has committed $5 million to address the issues of healthcare disparities.
Understanding why these disparities exist and taking these challenges head-on is a key business strategy that allows Wellpoint to identify, understand, and meet the diverse needs of their members, customers, and the communities they serve. It's also one reason why Wellpoint is well-positioned for the future.
We know that we need to create more value in the healthcare that's delivered to our members. So we're looking at that health and wellness piece, we're looking at the delivery of care, and we're looking at the value equation. We need to bring health information technology forward, and we need to look at the access question and make sure that all Americans can have a sustainable path to universal coverage.
Serving the needs of more than 35 million members nationwide, Wellpoint is one of the country's leading health benefits companies. By taking a leadership role in the industry, Wellpoint is committed to and focused on decreasing disparities in the healthcare system, providing access to many more Americans. Wellpoint and its family of companies are dedicated to transforming the face of American healthcare by making a positive difference in the lives and health of the members that they serve and their communities.
We hope this program has been an inspiration to you and all you hope to achieve. Be sure to join us next time as we continue to profile the people and ideas changing the way we live. I'm Lou Gossett Jr.